Hello friends, in this video we start the very important topic, that is Laplace transform. Laplace transform is important topic for mathematics, engineering mathematics. So friends, let us start what is the introduction of the Laplace transform. Laplace transform is widely used integral transformation. Laplace transformation is powerful mathematical techniques. By using the Laplace transform, we have to solve the linear differential equation by using the algebraic method. We also solve the system of simultaneous differential equation, partial differential equation, and integral equations. And Laplace transform are useful for solving such type of differential equations, and many other Laplace transformation is used. Laplace transform applicable to continuous functions. Laplace transform applicable to continuous function, piecewise continuous function, periodic functions, step functions, impulse functions. Laplace transform has important application in the subject of mathematics, physics, optics, electrical engineering, also control engineering, signal processing, and probability theory. So friends, Laplace transform is important topic. This is the introduction of the Laplace transformation. See friends, what is the definition of Laplace transform? Laplace transform, see here the definition of Laplace transformation. If f of t is a function of t defined for t is greater than or equal to 0, and Laplace transform of f of t denoted by L of f of t and defined as Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt. The integral is the function of the parameter s and is denoted by f of s, capital F of s, or f bar of s, or phi of s also denote the Laplace transform. What is the definition of Laplace transform? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to this integral, integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt. This is the definition of Laplace transform. What are the conditions for existence of Laplace transform? The condition is that f of t is piecewise continuous, that is f of t continuous in every subinterval, and f of t has finite limits at the end point of each subinterval. This is the first condition. Second condition is that f of t is of the exponential order alpha, that is there exists capital M and alpha such that mod of f of t is less than or equal to m into e to the power alpha t for all t is greater than or equal to 0, that is limiting value of limit t tends to infinity e to the power minus alpha t to f of t is equal to finite quantity. This quantity is the finite quantity. If we solve this limiting value is finite, then this is the second condition. First condition about the continuity. Second condition is if we got this finite value, then these are the two conditions for existence of the Laplace transform. Next, what are the standard result on Laplace transform or standard formulas of Laplace transform? Friends, see the first formula. Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Laplace transform of constant k is equal to k by s. Laplace transform of L of t raised to n. Laplace transform of t raised to n is equal to n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. Formula number 4, Laplace transform of e to the power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. e raised to at ये पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ पर निगेटिव. Laplace transform of e to the power minus at निगेटिव है, यहाँ पर प्लस आएगा, यहाँ s plus a. Laplace transform of sin of at is equal to a divided by s square plus a square. This is the Laplace transform of sin of at. Similarly, next formula for Laplace transform. Next formula is Laplace transform of cos of at is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. Laplace transform of sin of at is equal to a divided by s square minus a square. Laplace transform of cos of at is equal to s divided by s square minus a square. Friends, these are the important formulae for Laplace transform. To show that Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Solution. We have, what is the definition of Laplace transform? Laplace of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt. Therefore, Laplace transform, if we put the value of f of t here, Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st into 1 into dt. Solve this integral. E to the power minus st divided by e to the power minus st, integration of e to the power minus st, e to the power minus st divided by minus s, 0 to infinity. If we substitute the limits, e to the power minus infinity, upper limit minus lower limit, divided by minus s, minus e to the power 0 divided by minus s. Therefore, we know that what is the value of e to the power minus infinity? E to the power minus infinity is equal to 0 and e raised to 0 is equal to 1. E raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, value is 0 plus minus minus plus 1 by s. Therefore, Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Laplace transform of 1 by s is equal Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Thanks, friends.